Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Ring app camera preview not available. Seeing camera preview not available in the Ring app can be frustrating, but the good news is that the issue is usually caused by something simply like the camera being offline, a weak Wi-Fi connection, or a low battery. Start by opening the Ring app and checking the affected device. If you see an offline icon, tap it and follow the reconnect instructions provided in the app. Next, check the device's health information by selecting the camera, tapping the three-dot menu, and choosing Device Health. Here, pay special attention to the battery level, power source, and especially the signal strength. Poor Wi-Fi is one of the most common reasons why the camera can't load a live preview. If the signal is weak, try reconnecting the camera to Wi-Fi or moving it closer to your router. You can also restart your router by unplugging it for a few seconds and plugging it back in. Another thing you can try is rebooting the camera itself. In the device health section, scroll down and select reboot this device if the camera is online. If the camera is offline and battery powered, remove the battery for a few seconds before reinstalling it. For wired models, unplug the camera briefly and then reconnect it. After the device powers back on, reconnects to Wi-Fi, give it a minute or two, and check the live view again. In most cases, restoring a strong connection or rebooting this device is enough to bring the camera preview back. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.